Hello and welcome back to Scorpio Tech. In this video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the adjustable and ergonomic BoYata laptop stand. This stand is available for £30 or $30 from Amazon and features an aluminium alloy frame, a load bearing weight of up to 20 kilograms, collapsible design, silicone feet and pads, venting on the stand for cooling purposes, as well as a very stylish and modern design. This specific model is for laptops between 11 and 17 inches and is available in silver, dark grey, black, rose gold and champagne gold as well. If you're working from home and frequently use a laptop, it is very important that you have it set up ergonomically. For example, if I'm using my MacBook flat on the desk, it means I'm having to bend my neck and look downwards to use it, whereas you should have the top of the laptop screen level with your eyes for the most comfort and the reduced chance of any fatigue or neck pain. This laptop stand has extremely sturdy joints and a very strong Z-shaped frame, meaning that your laptop will be held up with ease. This laptop stand can also be adjusted and manipulated to suit whoever is using it. Obviously, the idea is to have a keyboard and mouse at desk level whilst using the laptop stand for viewing. I also cannot express enough how strong and sturdy this stand actually is. You're not going to have any of that really annoying rattling whilst you're typing or working. It is also worth noting that BoYata do a wide variety of stand types, so if you're looking for something aesthetically different, then they may well have something for you, so it's worth checking their Amazon store out. Talking of the design, I really like how simple it is, with its nice brushed metal style hinges and minimal branding. But as I said earlier, there are several colour options to suit your style to make it fit seamlessly into your workspace. In addition to all of this, as I generally use my desktop computer, I like having the laptop there for checking things like Discord, YouTube analytics, Twitch streams and so on. This means I can have it set up in a much more ergonomic way to alleviate any potential neck or back pain that can be caused by straining. And quite honestly, I'm really struggling to pick out any flaws with this laptop stand. Some people might think the price is a little bit too high, but honestly, for just $30 or pounds you can get a nice sleek and sturdy stand that not only looks appealing, but is also beneficial to your own well-being. So that pretty much wraps up this short video. As always, the relevant links will be down in the description, and if you did enjoy this video, please consider liking and subscribing, as it really does help the channel out. Also, I'd like to invite you to join our Discord server to talk about all things tech and gaming. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.